Captain D's Key Franchise Information Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Captain D's. Captain D's is one of the largest quick-service seafood restaurant chains in the United States, specializing in fish, shrimp, chicken, and sides. The company was founded in 1969 in Donelson, Tennessee, by Raymond L. Danner Sr. Captain D's earns money by selling affordable seafood meals through dine-in, takeout, and drive-through service. Their mission is to provide quality seafood at a value price, and their vision is to expand across the U.S. while keeping seafood accessible to families everywhere. Are you wondering if a Captain D's franchise is right for you? In this video, we will give you key information about Captain D's, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Captain D's franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Captain D's operates on a franchise system, which means individual entrepreneurs run their own restaurants under the Captain D's brand, following established standards and procedures. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of about $35,000, plus monthly royalties of 4% to 5% and marketing fees of 1.5% to 2% of gross revenue. Support from Captain D's. The brand offers training, operational support, and marketing materials to help franchisees succeed.
Anecdote: the very first Captain D's opened in 1969 and was originally called Mr. D's Seafood and Hamburgers. It quickly became popular for its fried fish platters, leading to the name change to Captain D's.
Entry costs for Captain D's. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $78,000 to $10,600 depending on location and size. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, kitchen equipment and signage, POS systems and technology setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit is around $1,000 to $14,000. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $12,000 to $25,200 annually.
Anecdote: one Captain D's in Alabama hit $12,000 in sales during its first year thanks to strong drive-through traffic and family combo promotions.
Step by step. How to register a Captain D's franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $1,000 and liquid assets of $35,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote: one franchisee in Georgia was approved after presenting a plan to open near a busy interstate, which later became one of the top-performing Captain D's restaurants in the region.
4. Taxes and fees in Captain D's. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Some states may also charge industry-specific fees for seafood handling permits, licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Captain D's charges 1.5% to 2% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes TV ads, digital campaigns, and seasonal promotions.
Anecdote: one Captain D's in Florida used its local marketing budget to sponsor a seafood festival weekend and doubled its customer traffic during the event.
Try 5. Hiring employees in Captain D's. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Captain D's location needs from 25 to 40 employees including cooks, servers, dishwashers, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,000 to $7,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Captain D's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote: one Captain D's in Tennessee trained its entire team with the digital platform and won Best Guest Experience in their district just 2 months after opening.
I-6. Captain D's. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly, ingredients and resources. $15,000 to $25,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $3,000 to $5,000 including wages, insurance and bonuses, rent and utilities. $8,000 to $15,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $2,000 to $4,000 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,500 to $3,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $2,500 to $5,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $4,000 to $8,000 per month including sales and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote: one Captain D's in Mississippi served over 6,500 seafood platters during a family fish fry weekend, breaking its own sales record in just 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Training and support. How does Captain D's help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees attend a multi-week onboarding program covering seafood preparation, food safety, customer service, inventory, and financial management. Operational support. Each franchisee is supported by regional consultants who provide ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly reviews and access to proprietary systems. E-learning platform. Captain D's offers a digital training system for crew members including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Captain D's also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote: One Captain D's in Alabama trained its team with the e-learning platform and won Best Seafood Service in its region within 3 months.
Shellfish franchise inspections in Captain D's. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and seafood storage compliance. Internal inspections. Captain D's Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Captain D's in Georgia passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Anchor Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Captain D's. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues around $1,000 to $14,000. With profit margins from 12% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $12,000 to $25,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 12% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 4 to 6 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, seafood specialization, family combo promotions, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near highways, suburban communities, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One Captain D's in Kentucky broke even in just 48 months, thanks to a location near a busy interstate and a family fish fry special that boosted repeat visits by 20%.
10. Captain D's in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Captain D's operates over 530 locations across the U.S., making it a recognized player in the quick-service seafood segment. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through digital ordering, loyalty programs, and new formats like smaller footprint restaurants. In 2025, Captain D's added 15 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on packaging and seafood sourcing. Key challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from Long John Silver's and Red Lobster have impacted margins. Captain D's responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and flexible build-outs. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. quick-service seafood market is projected to grow from $12 billion in 2025 to $16 billion by 2030, CAGR 5.8%.
Anecdote. In 2025, Captain D's launched its first Captain D's Express concept in a suburban shopping center, and saw a 25% increase in lunch traffic within the first quarter.
11. Pros and cons of a Captain D's franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. Strong brand recognition in the quick-service seafood segment. B. Diverse menu including fish, shrimp, chicken, and sides. C. Backed by over 50 years of history and loyal customer base. Comprehensive training and support systems. Cons. A. High initial investment compared to smaller QSR brands. B. Strong competition from Long John Silver's and Red Lobster. C. Limited international presence. Operational complexity with seafood supply chain management.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Tennessee said, "Captain D's gives you the seafood, the systems, and the support. You just need the drive."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Captain D's owners. Attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Captain D's training, tech, and marketing support with other seafood brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a burger brand until they saw Captain D's seafood margins and realized fish was the real goldmine.
ICE. Conclusion. Who is the Captain D's franchise for, and is it worth investing? Captain D's is ideal for entrepreneurs who love seafood, family-focused dining, and a proven quick-service model. With average annual revenues around $1,000 to $14,000 and profit margins from 12% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 4 to 6 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the quick-service seafood category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $78,100 to $26,000, and Captain D's enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. The Captain D's is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and crave-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, serve flavorful seafood, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Captain D's in Alabama broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 7,500 seafood platters and 400 gallons of sweet tea in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Five Guys. Is Five Guys a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.